How do you sharpen an axe with a file? If you have ever found yourself in the great outdoors, you know that a sharp axe can make all the difference. Whether you are camping or maintaining a park, knowing how to sharpen an axe with a file is a handy skill. Let's break down the steps to get your axe back in shape. First, prepare your workspace. Find a sturdy table or bench where you can work safely. It is important to secure the axe head with a clamp or vise to keep it steady while you sharpen. Don't forget to wear protective gloves and safety glasses. This will help protect you from any metal filings or slips during the process. Next, clean the axe head and the file. Remove any dirt, rust, or debris from both surfaces. A clean axe ensures that the sharpening process is efficient and prevents damage to your tools. Now, take a close look at the axe edge. Check for any nicks or dull spots. You can use a permanent marker to mark the edge. This will help you see where material needs to be removed and keep the correct bevel angle while filing. Choosing the right file is essential. A mill-bastard file that is about 10 to 12 inches long works best for sharpening axes. The bevel angle, which is the angle between the axe blade and the flat side, usually ranges from 30 to 40 degrees. Keeping this angle consistent is key to achieving a sharp edge. When you start filing, hold the file firmly and push it across the blade in long, smooth strokes, moving away from your body. Apply pressure only on the forward stroke and lift the file on the return stroke. This technique prevents dulling the blade. Follow the curve of the blade, starting from the top of the axe head and moving toward the edge. Make sure to file one side evenly, then flip the axe and repeat on the other side. Aim for an equal number of strokes on both sides to keep the edge centered. As you sharpen, check your progress regularly. Inspect the edge to ensure you are sharpening evenly and maintaining the bevel angle. You should notice the edge becoming sharper and free of nicks or burrs. If you want an even finer edge, consider using a sharpening stone or fine grit sandpaper after filing. This step smooths the edge and reduces the risk of the axe glancing off wood, making it safer to use. Finally, remember that keeping your axe sharp is important for safety and efficiency, especially when you are chopping firewood or clearing brush in parks and campgrounds. Regular light filing after each use can prolong the sharpness and reduce the need for more intensive sharpening later. Always store your axe in a dry place to prevent rust and damage. By following these steps, you can ensure your axe remains a reliable tool for all your outdoor activities. Sharpening with a file is a practical skill that enhances your camping experience and helps maintain the natural beauty of parks.